Okay. I want you to imagine this. I want you to imagine having A1 credit. You know what I'm saying? A1 credit. Being able to tell people what you want to pay for what you want instead of them dictating what you pay. Telling people what car you want to drive instead of them putting you in whatever they feel like you can afford. Instead of going into the dealership and them bumping your social security number around 11,000 different financiers. You set the tone for your life with your credit being good. You can get accounts at credit unions and the best interest rate on credit cards. You can pay down debt with good credit. The way you can do that is because you'll actually qualify for zero interest introductory rate credit cards. And with that, the credit cards that you already currently have, you just transfer the balance to the new card with the zero interest rate for 18 months or whatever special they're running at that time. No interest. You just pay that credit card down. Whatever you pay towards that credit card is going towards the principal and not the interest. That's how you get ahead. But you have to have a good credit score to be able to be in a position to do that. So it's all kind of tricks. It's all kind of loopholes. There's all kind of informative information that will put you in a position to win. But the first step that you have to do is get your credit repaired, get your credit on track. You know what I'm saying? And all of that is investing in yourself more so than anything else that you could possibly do to invest in yourself. YourCreditLift.com. Hit me up.